A limited partnership is a unique business structure that separates management responsibilities from financial liability. Let's look at how they work. At its core, a partnership is simply a business where two or more people share ownership and responsibilities. Unlike a general partnership, an LP creates a clear divide between the people who run the show and the people who provide the capital. General partners take on the legal risks, while limited partners act more like passive investors who focus on the financial returns. The main difference is the level of control versus the level of risk you are willing to accept as a business owner. As you can see, the limited partner's risk is contained, which makes this structure very popular in industries like real estate and private equity. It is a way to pool resources while ensuring that the passive investors are protected from the personal legal risks of the business. Understanding business structures is a key step in your financial journey. Save this video for later and subscribe for more money basics.